Hey, welcome to BreitWerks. What we're doing is restoring this engine cover. So it's green, which means it came off of a 2.7 with CIS. And we've degreased it. So still dirty, but we're gonna get there. It's a gel coat. We're not gonna paint it. We're just gonna clean it really, really well. The other thing I did was I popped the rivets out so that this guy can get bead blasted and painted. He had about a ½ inch of grease on him, so like I said, we've already degreased everything. So we're gonna get to the cleaning part, and we'll keep you apprised. We've got her all polished out. Everything was cleaned. Used a couple of different products, inside, outside. So now we're gonna put a coat of insulator wax on it. I was toying with ceramic, and then I said, absolutely not, I hate that stuff. But with this one, you know, it was just get it clean it up. There's still some scratches. I mean, she put 50 years in. But on a restoration like this, I would rather use just a cleaned up cover. Because when you paint them, they just never look right. Plus, this guy earned his scars, 50 years. So, I mean, we're not opposed to painting them. As you can see, we do paint them. There's another one over there. But typically, if we paint them, it's because they were cracked, or we're doing some major color change, or putting ITBs, and you're gonna see everything. But this guy here, I mean, 90% of it you won't see because the CIS will cover it. So now we've just gotta source ourselves some 4mm rivets. So we can put that guy back in there, and then put a nice coat of wax on it, and we will call that engine shroud restored. We got our rivets, and I couldn't be happier with how this engine shroud turned out. So we got our 4mm rivets, but these are specialty large button head, so that they can basically spread the stress out, reduce chance for any cracking or anything like that. Not that this guy sees a lot of different stresses, but it will last another 50 years. So, all ready to go on top of the motor and do its thing. So Persephone will get this back on there hopefully soon. Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked our video, check that little subscribe button, and you can check us out at BreitWerks.com.